Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making carne con papas, which is ground beef and potatoes in English. So the ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1.5 teaspoons of beef bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of adobo light seasoning. If you're not using that, you can use 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're also going to need 4 small potatoes cut, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 cup of water, a half of a small onion chopped, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is get a pan and we're going to bring it to temperature. We're going to put our olive oil in. Next you're going to add in your onion. And we're going to allow that to saute for a couple minutes. Now you can go ahead and add in your garlic cloves. Mix that in with the onion. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in our ground beef. And I'm just going to go in and break that apart. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, once your ground beef is cooked, we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes in. All we're going to do is mix the potatoes in and let them saute with the meat for a couple of minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and add our tomato sauce. And also a cup of water. And we're going to mix until well combined. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it, and we're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to let it simmer or until your potatoes are all the way cooked through. Okay guys, so the carne con papas is done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.